so welcome to the Japanese section of this week's podcast. Your first word is shizen. What is shizen? Girl, I think you're frozen. Hello? Hello?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay,
back.
so your first word is shizen. What is shizen? Shizen? What is shizen in English? Shizen is the Japanese word for nature. Shizen.
Shizen.
As in, nasa
Is this a
loob na
noun?
siya. Shizen.
Is it a noun, a verb?
Yes, it is a noun.
Oh,
What
nature.
about
Love that.
yama? What is yama?
Ah, ay, ganda.
What is yama in English? Yama means mountain.
Yamaha. Wind. Japanese. Wind.
Next is
Mountain. Oh, wow.
Mizumi. What is
Hello.
Mizumi
Ay.
in English?
Ooh, that's
Did you
pretty.
Mizumi?
Mizumi.
It means
Mountain.
lake. Lake. As in Lake Bell.
Ah,
From the Kristen Bell
lake.
family is Lake.
Mizumi.
What about kuko? What is kuko? As in hugaw kay mong kuko.
This one.
Kuko means airports.
Bird.
Kuko is airport. Why are you hanging? Okay, next word is eki. なんだとで駅ですね。なんだと駅ですか？なんだとこの宿の駅の It means train station. Train station, sorry.
Fish. Train.
What about chikatetsu? Chikatetsu. Chikatetsu.
Shikatetsu.
As in
That's so
gossip
cute.
boobs. Chikatetsu.
Chicken.
It means
Chicken daw,
Subway. Subway,
what?
baby.
Means what? Subway?
What about Shima?
Chikatetsu.
Shima boy.
Oh, Shima, that's the perfect term.
Shima
See?
boy. It means island. Shima Island girl.
Ah.
Shima Island
I went there
girl.
already. Shima, Japan.
What about Machi? What is Machi?
Machi, matcha, mochi.
As in, Machi mo ichigaray guapo e chokitate to tumani yoro chikaro namitai to yu so Machi is town. It means town. Toshi, as in Toshiki. Toshigi means city.
City.
city?
Got it? Correct?
City is the correct answer. What about mura? Mura gibna. What gibna?
Mura? Bad word.
It means village. Village.
Mura gibna.
What about Nichi?
Michi.
Mayori Nichi.
Villagers.
Yuraru. Mayori Nichi. It means path or road. Hi, Takekopta.
Road.
An. とっても大好き。ドラえもん。なんだけてくれる。不思議に果てる。
We're trying to teach that to our birds. The Raymond
What?
song.
What?
Yeah, we're trying to teach it. We're trying to teach it to Snowy, the song.
Oh, I see. What about Cohen? What is Cohen?
Community.
It means park. Cohen Park.
Park.
See, so Andy Cohen is actually Andy Park. Jinja. What is Jinja?
That sounds
Not the
Korean.
The Japanese. Jinja?
The church.
Ay, Shia. Shibal
Ah.
Sikya. Mancham to the Shibal. Shugabaria? Shugabaria?
Ah,
Okay, what about Terra?
oh God.
Terra. Terra, what is Terra?
Terra na.
is temple.
Terrace.
Bijutsuken. What is Bijutsuken?
Church.
It's arts museum. What about Hakobutsuken? Hakobutsuken.
Massage.
Hakobutsukan. Sorry. Bijutsukan. Hakobutsukan.
What are the
Hakobutsukan
two?
is a museum. Sí, aunque el amor se fue, lo quisiera volver a sus noches.
Then they have a word. They have a word just for an art museum. That's so cool.
Oh, Pimple Museum. Nikibi. So tell me about your new place. What's the tea?
What's the thing? So we have we're on the other door. In the master's bedroom is another couple, a married couple. They've been working here for 20 years. Isn't that amazing? And then over on the other room is two single ladies. They are both in the medical field here in Singapore, and one is just 1 month. 1 month pa lang siya dito, and one is just like haven't even had 1 week yet. Yeah. And then
Would you be
we
so kind as
kept
to buy
some
me
of
more
our
yarn?
furniture. The sofa is here because when we Nanay said you bought yarn last week.
Yeah, but Cube Shop has expensive yarn pala. I didn't know. This one costs 16 pesos.
Hello.
Ganito lang siya
Oh my
kakonte.
God.
Tapos itong
Balik ka.
ito, tag 21. So, tingnan mo yung size niya, 16 and 21. So, kalahati lang siya ng 21, yung 16. Hindi nga kalahati, one-third ata eh.
Aha.
So, itong 21 na to, ang dami kong magawa nito. One-third na to ng scarf. So, kapag ako ay nag-order ng maraming 21, ako ay nagsusupply sa atin ng um, ng kaltas ng mga expenses na hindi kailangan. Gaya ng um, yung paglabas sa bahay, ganun. Yung di alam mo nung gagawin sa araw. So, makakagawa ako ng mga ganito, tapos magbigay ko sa kay nanay, o sa mga shen pa kaya, o di kaya sa'yo kung gusto mo gamitin. So, yun po. So,
So,
yung akin
ano
kasi
natira
naisip
mong
lang
iyon?
talaga na ipangkaso sa pangkabuang buhay ng tao ay napakababaw, gaya ng Pokemon cards. So, yung mga ari-arian ganito, yung mga personal at napaka-immortalize mo talaga sa World Wide Web ay para sa akin ay malaking investment. So, isipin mo 21 po. Tapos, pag nagbili ako ng 20, 210, 420. So, isipin mo yun. Yung 420, isang meal lang yun. Ikaw, kamusta housemates mo?
Mabait naman sila.
Saan mo sila na-meet?
Facebook group.
Saan?
Facebook group.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Paano mo sila minessage? Nung unang...
Kasi naghahanap sila ng mag-occupy ng isang room. So, nag-message kami.
Brought to you by White Flower.
The flower that whitens.
Meron kang nalamang bago sa mundo o sa buhay nung ikaw ay nagtira dyan?
What? What a question.
Merong mga napaka-interesting na bagay tungkol sa iyong mga housemates?
Wala.
So, ilang minuto ang nakaltas sa iyong traveling time papuntang work?
Oh, like half.
Half.
Like 1 hour dati. Ngayon, 30 minutes na lang.
Hmm. So, ano yung mga nationality ng iyong housemates?
Lahat sila Filipino.
Hindi nga.
Mm-mm.
Lahat sila ay taga Metro Manila?
Hindi. Merong taga Isabela, taga
Saan?
Cagayan.
Isabela? Kilayo?
Mhm. Cagayan, merong Cavite, merong Taytay. Yun lang.
Cagayan Valley?
Yeah. So,
Ang
meron
saya.
may representative dito sa bahay ng Mindanao, that's me, Luzon, and Visayas.
So, iba-iba yung mga trabaho nila.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga trabaho nila?
So, si Kuya, he works in the construction of train stations.
Instructor, sabi? Conductor?
Construction.
Sila lahat nasa train?
Hindi, isa lang yun.
Oh.
Yung isa, work from home.
Ano yun?
Yung isa, yung wife niya, narinig kasi ako, dependent pass, dito lang sa house nagwo-work. Tapos yung yung dalawang single ladies is in the medical field.
So, napakaswerte nyo. Meron kayong tagabantay ng house.
Yeah, dito siya most of the time. Yeah.
Meron kayong TV sa sala.
Meron.
Talaga?
And may isa pang ibon.
Hmm. Anong pinapanood nyo ngayon?
When life gives you tangerines.
Ano pa?
Tsaka yung karma.
Pharma? Pharma?
Karma.
Ah, Karma. Yung Turkish?
Korean yun.
Karma? Karma. Ba't Korea napili mo?
Yun lang yung mga interesting eh. Tapos recently we watched Con Mom. Na-watch mo yun?
Mm-hmm.
Con Mom?
Ooh, I've yet to watch that. I'm very excited to watch it.
Watch it. Like now.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, darling. Thank you,
Yeah.
Thank you,
Ganun nga siya.
darling. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
So, bibili ako sa pera na sinend mo ng Pokemon Go na premium. Kasi, yun lang yung nagagawa ko buong araw. So, kung gusto mo, kung may friend ka nang nagpo-Pokemon, pwede mo ma-trade sa akin ng Pokemon kung gusto niya ng shiny.